Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the brand new 2026 Nikon Coolpix P1100, a powerhouse superzoom camera designed for creators who want DSLR level reach without the weight, cost, or complexity. In this video, we'll explore what makes the P1100 Nikon's sharpest, smartest, and most travel-friendly long zoom camera yet. A new era of superzoom power. The 2026 Nikon Coolpix P1100 arrives as the next evolution of Nikon's legendary ultra-zoom lineup. Nikon has refined almost every component that made the earlier models iconic: extreme zoom, strong stabilization, and reliable all-weather performance, while pushing the limits even further. With a massive zoom range and a modern sensor, the P1100 targets travelers, wildlife photographers, vloggers, and anyone who wants professional-level reach without carrying multiple lenses. The massive zoom breakthrough. The biggest headline feature is its 130x optical zoom, which now stretches from ultra-wide landscapes to extreme telephoto distances where even airplanes, distant wildlife, and mountain peaks become clear, frame-filling subjects. Nikon's upgraded Nika ED glass reduces chromatic aberrations, giving sharper edges and better color accuracy, even at maximum zoom. Combined with a new anti-glare coating, the P1100 delivers improved clarity in bright environments like beaches, deserts, and snowy landscapes. Upgraded sensor and image quality. Inside, Nikon uses a redesigned 1 to 1.7-inch stacked CMOS sensor with improved low-light sensitivity and faster readout speeds. Paired with their updated X-Speed processor, the P1100 produces cleaner, more detailed stills even at high ISO levels. Colors look more natural, shadows hold more texture, and highlights have better control thanks to a wider dynamic range. For photographers who have struggled with older superzoom noise levels, the improvement here is immediately noticeable. Next-gen stabilization system. Long zoom means shake becomes a bigger challenge. Nikon answers this with a 6.5-stop enhanced optical VR system, one of the most advanced ever installed in a compact camera. Handheld shots at extreme zoom are now far more usable, and panning modes have been refined for action photography. Whether capturing wildlife on the move or filming handheld travel footage, the stabilization helps maintain smooth, steady results. 4K and beyond. The 2026 P1100 finally brings 4K 60 recording, along with improved autofocus tracking designed for fast-moving subjects. Nikon's face and eye detection works in both stills and video, and the camera introduces dynamic focus boost, which keeps distant subjects locked even while zooming. For creators who vlog or shoot documentaries, the stereo microphone and wind reduction system deliver clearer in-camera audio, while external MIC support remains available for pro-level recording. Connectivity and smart features. Nikon continues modernizing the Coolpix series with stronger wireless integration. The P1100 features faster SnapBridge 3.0, Bluetooth LE for low-power sharing, and Wi-Fi transfer speeds nearly twice as fast as previous models. There's also onboard GPS for geotagging and a new auto backup mode that syncs images to cloud storage when connected to a network. Battery. The camera's weather-resistant body features improved ergonomics, deeper grip texture, and repositioned controls that make high-zoom shooting more stable. The battery now delivers around 1,000 shots per charge, making it better suited for long travel days or wildlife excursions. USB-C fast charging keeps downtime short. Final thoughts. The 2026 Nikon Coolpix P1100 is designed for creators who want incredible zoom reach, travel-friendly size, and modern imaging performance without jumping into interchangeable lens systems. The P1100 stands out as one of the most capable all-in-one cameras Nikon has released.